Hello, my name is Dmitry, and I will present our solution on LLM Prompt Recovery competition and how we have achieved fifth place in this competition. Let me introduce our talented team. We have a team of three, and I wanted to tell about my teammates. I'll start with Yang Zhezhou, who is now is a quantitative researcher, but previously he was a talented. He's still talented. He is skilled machine learning researcher from Wuhan, China. Also, I want to tell about Zhao Zhen from Guangzhou, also Guangzhou, China. He is a researcher at a research institution. And about me, I'm Dmitry. I have worked a long time at Huawei Noahar Lab. I'm an NLP researcher. And also I have worked with Hugging Face team in open research collaboration called Bcode. We have recently released our large language model for code generation. It's called StarCoder 2. Everyone can use it for any purpose because it's fully open source. It's free for all. Okay, let's begin with our solution. Our solution it's kind of contradictory to main point of competition, like the competition I think primarily about how to reverse the generation from a language model. And for this task, many competitors have used other large language model. But our solution heavily relies on retrieval approach, which using not language models like Mistral on Llama 3, but just old-fashioned words. It's encoder transform models. So yeah, we have trained a lot of encoder models. We trained it on task where model should produce good embedding for pair of texts like original and rewritten. It should match with some prompt from our curated set. So for this, we have compiled a huge database of possible rewrite prompts with using various language models. And the last of part of this solution is interesting post-processing, which just adds one special token, one magic token, which turns the how to say actually it's a bit a hack of competition metric. So yeah, we have discovered a hack on competition metric, and it's also a main part of our solution. So solution itself, it's just 3 steps. Like first step is just embedding search with top key selection. We also use LLM for test time adaptive generation, but actually the main influence here is quite well trained encoder models and our prompt set. the second state is recombination and merging. We concatenate we concatenate highly scored prompts for every input pair and rank them again to choose only one, which is we think should be the most matching. I mean, which we believe should have the same or close embedding as the ground truth. And the third step is post-processing, which mainly is just 4 words in the which we add at the end. And this word is Lucre. I think you guys already have saw in other presentations of other competitors that word also used in other. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about how we have changed it. We have created a large set of pairs of prompts, rewrite prompts actually, and text to train BERT models. And we use it computation metric. It's cosine as loss function. And the most performant models was Roberta base, Roberta large, and Roberta base. And for generation, we have used different LLMs like Gemma-7B or 2B, also Z.D.Z LLM and ChatGPT. Each generated sample consists of 3 parts. It's original text, which can be just a pure generation from LLM, or is just random text from let's say web crawl. All prompts was generated by LLMs, and the rewritten part usually was from Gemma-7B, but we have also mixed it with text from ChatGPT. Here is our scaffold for prompting. We have used it with prompt to generator data. And the dataset was composed from of 500,000 text pairs. And as I said, it's mainly from different sources. But it's just a training dataset. For submission, we have used another one. Another one is a subset of training set, but we have heavily duplicated it to enhance prediction quality. Okay, let's talk about how we found out that Lucre gives enormous impact on embedding similarity. Actually, it's we have no clue about this hack in most of competition, and we have only have clue about it only 5 days before deadline. So Yan Zhazhou have discovered that a special token like ending of sentence, which which T5 sentence-based embedded you have used for in tokenization of every sentence. And he had found out that if you duplicate its token one more on several times in sentence, the similarity score between this sentence, let's say between another one, become more closer. Like it's like a pure magic. Like it sounds special thing which aligns the prompt embedding with prevalent direction. But we have discovered that these token are streamed in competition scoring script, and we need to find the substitute to this special token. And with some stochastic optimization, we have found out this token from vocabulary, which was in vocabulary of T5 sentence base. And that's it. And actually, the second part, or the second thing which I want to tell, I mean, the interest finding, it was that if you have retrieved several prompts for one input, you can merge them. But if you merge only in order of how your rankers are have sorted them, it is suboptimal. And we have used combinatorial optimization to find the most performant in terms of competition metric, the most performant combination of top K. And the third one, that's ranking is very fast approach if we compare it to LLM generation. Like with ranking, we're able to score about, as I said, 100,000 initial prompts and 3 million combinations. And it's like we have squeezed it in like 4 hours of kernel computation. So if you compare to LLM generation, it's quite fast, because with LLM approach, we have only several 7,000 prompts during 9 hours limit. So that's it.